Can we download and install Locanto Classy Fields app on our mobile phone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can download Locanto Classy Fields app on our mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we normally do is head over to our App Store or Google Play Store. And right there, after you're there, you can simply search for Locanto Classy Feeds, and after you just type that in, you will notice that there is no app or there is no related app to Locanto Classy Fields. So what you can do is you can just leave your app store, head over to your browser and search for Locanto Classy Feeds downloads. Now after you do that, you'll notice that there is still not an option for you to download it. So there is their website, the official Locanto website, which you can use, and you can use this to just log in and do what you want with Locanto Classy Feeds. You can use the website. It's really easy and really mobile friendly. So you cannot actually download it, but there is an option for Android users to download the app, as you can see right here. So if you're an Android user, you can easily find this app on your Google Play Store. So just head over to your Google Play Store and search for it, and you're basically good to go. Now for iPhone users, you can just use the web version of the app. So yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. I hope this video answered your question.